Jennifer Harding. Is she here wishing to speak? Hey, thank you. If you'd introduce yourself, please.
Good morning. My name is Jennifer Harding. I am here today as a mother of a son who's not yet old enough to be vaccinated. I am here as the primary caregiver for my aging parents who have a myriad of health issues that cause them to be at risk if they were to contract COVID, even though they are vaccinated. I am here today listening to what sounds like a debate about settled facts. And I'm really kind of sad about what I've seen in this room today. I'm sad that people are willing to reject scientific facts and medical advice and take us down a dark road of much more suffering and much more death. I am encouraged that it sounds like members of this committee are committed to the facts and the science. So far, I am encouraged by what I've heard most of y'all say today, and I appreciate that. I am just here today to be an example to all of y'all that there are always two sides to every story. And while there was a room full of folks who were loud and aggressive and angry this morning, I heard that they allegedly represented tens of thousands of people in the state of Louisiana. And I'm here today to tell you there are tens of thousands of people in the state of Louisiana just like me, who are mothers, who are parents, who have been doing our part to protect ourselves, our families, and our communities. And we are looking to you, our leaders, to stand with us. I heard somebody say recently that your right to swing your arm ends when it hits my nose. We can talk about freedoms until we're blue in the face, but our kids are going into the hospitals and they're getting sick, and some of them are dying. And we know that masks and vaccines and good policy, good health policy, this is the Health and Welfare Committee. Good health policy can slow this pandemic and can hopefully stop this pandemic so that we can all get back and give our children somewhat of a normal life. My mother is a polio survivor. She contracted polio a year before the vaccine was available. When the vaccine came, she took it. It came in 4 different iterations. She took it every time. She had polio and she lived in Children's Hospital for a year in isolation and having surgeries after surgeries to deal with that. We eradicated polio because we trusted the science, because it was coming for our children and it was killing them. We can eradicate COVID-19 if we have sound policy. And so I just encourage you to please trust the science. Know that there are those of us in Louisiana that are counting and looking on you to do the right thing. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Harding. Thank you for coming today.